Hello, welcome to Fundu Money web series on tax filing. We are discussing various things people need to keep in mind while filing taxes. This particular segment, we are going to talk about a particular aspect which non-resident Indians, NRIs, need to keep in mind while filing taxes. Now, there are lots of non-resident Indians who have bought properties in India and they have let it out. Now, how do they treat their rental income when it comes to filing taxes? The great news is, with me is Mr. Swami Saran Sharma, an eminent tax expert. Welcome, Swami. Swami, when a non-resident Indian is filing for taxes and he or she has let out a property or properties which are earning rent, what are the various tax deductions and things he or she needs to keep in mind while filing for taxes?
Non-residents, like ordinary Indian residents, they have to account for all income which they earn in India, including the rental income. So in the rental income, they are eligible to get a 30% standard deduction out of the total rent earned. Alongside, over and above this, one also gets the interest part in case they have raised any loan in India. So it has to be from Indian institution, and in that case they can claim that interest paid on that property. And even if it culminates into a loss from the head, income from house property, so which can be even set off against other incomes they may have in India.
So, to put it briefly, you actually earn. There are various sources of income in tax terms. You could be making a capital gain. There could be other incomes, and you put all those 5 major heads together, and that's your income. Now, if you're actually making a loss, as Swami is mentioning, under rental house property income, which is a net result of your rental income and your home loan, you're actually ending up having a lesser taxable income. So it's a very useful information that people need to keep in mind while they're, especially non-resident Indians, when they're filing for taxes. Either they're doing it themselves or through professionals. Thank you so much, Swami. If people want to follow more and want some more information, they can follow this web series. This is going to be a wide-ranging web series on filing taxes, and these are all the information is available on leading social media platforms, or you can come to our site www.fundumoney.com.